Hello everyone, it's Miss Salvatore here. Today we are going to talk about money. 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 And money. Friends, we have paper money and we have what's called coins, okay? It is still money. You can use it in the United States. So we call our paper money where we count everything in dollars. So there is an amount of coins that equals $1. And then there are amounts of dollar bills that you can collect to trade in for more bills. So if I had $10, instead of having $10 bills, I can trade it in for a $10 bill, okay? So let's go over how much of these coins and what their value is, okay? So we're gonna go over the names of the coins, the names of the dollars, and then the value. And then throughout the week, what you'll be able to do, you'll tell me how many coins and what coins we need to make $1. Let's go. All right, if you are looking at my screen, you see lots of different money. So here we have the paper dollar bills, and then we have all different coins. They all have a value. Let's review. The first is a dime. If you want to ask mom, dad, someone at home, if you could just look at some of their coins, I want to see if you can find the dime for me. A dime is, it looks like this. Here's the front. There's the back. This is a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. Okay? So you are going to say, this is a dime. This is a dime. It's worth 10 cents. It's a dime. All right, what is this? And how much is it worth? This is a dime. This is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. This is a dime. All right, let's keep going. So we found our dime, and again, the dime is worth 10 cents. Can you find a penny? A penny is copper. It is not silver. This is the front. Abraham Lincoln is on the front. This is the back. Okay, a penny is worth 1 cent. This is a penny. This is a penny. It is worth 1 cent. This is a penny. All right, can you find a penny? Ask someone at home, can you look through some coins and find the penny? The penny is worth 1 cent. Here we go. This is the penny, and the penny is worth 1 cent. You now know the dime, and the dime is worth 10 cents, and this is a penny, and the penny is worth 1 cent. Take a look. The next one I want you to find is the nickel. A nickel. This is a nickel. Okay, a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. The nickel is worth 5 cents. This is a nickel. This is a nickel. It is worth 5 cents. This is a nickel. All right, you're looking through all your change. See if you can find a nickel. If you don't have it, it is okay. Can you look here and tell me, is this a nickel? Is this a nickel? Is this a nickel? Whoops. All right. This is the nickel. It is worth 5 cents. So if you found the coin that looks like this is the nickel. All right. Which one is the dollar bill? Dollar bill. This one, this one, this one. This is a dollar bill. Whoops. This is a dollar bill. This is a dollar bill. It is worth $1. This is a dollar bill. All right. Which one is the dollar bill? It is worth $1. This is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. And now Miss Salvatore has a ripped dollar. We're going to put that one to the side. All right, $1 bill. Where is the quarter? Okay, we know that the quarter is a coin. Well, let's look at this one. Hopefully you remember that this coin is a dime. This one, the first one, is a dime. It's not that one. What about this one? This one we said was a nickel. So it's not the second one. We did not talk about this one. And this one is a quarter. Okay, it is a bigger coin. It is worth 25 cents. This is the front. That is the back. That is a quarter. Quarter. Oh, forgot our song. This is a quarter. This is a quarter. It is worth 25 cents. This is a quarter. All right. Here we go. If you said that was the quarter, you are correct. It is worth 25 cents. All right, it's quiz time. Let's see. I just asked you and told you this was a quarter. Is a quarter worth 25 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents? On the count of 3, you're going to call it out. 1, 2, 3. It is worth 25 cents, okay? A quarter is 25 cents. Very good. Let's go to another question. How much is this coin worth? This was the nickel. The nickel, how much is a nickel worth? On the count of 3, you're going to call it out. Is it 1 cent? Is it 10 cents? Is it 5 cents? Ready? 1, 2, 3, call it out. If you said 5 cents, you are correct. Yes, a nickel is worth 5 cents. All right, moving on. What is this coin worth? This coin is the dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. I just gave you the answer. So if you were listening, is a dime worth 10 cents? Is the dime worth 1 cent? Is the dime worth 5 cents? All of you should get this one correct because Miss Salvatore said the answer by mistake. Call it out on the count of 3. This is worth 1, 2, 3. 10 cents. Very good. All right, we said a dime is worth 10 cents. I have one more question for you. This coin, how much is it worth? This is the only copper coin that we have. It doesn't look like the other ones. How much is a penny? This is a penny. How much is a penny worth? On the count of 3, you're going to call it out. Here are your choices. Is it worth 10 cents, 1 cent, or 25 cents? 1, 2, 3. It is worth 1 cent. Very good job. All right, so what we did was we just went over all of the values and the names for our coins. We have one bill to review before the end of today's lesson. I'm not going to rip this one. This was our dollar bill. Look at the number. How much is this worth? Is it worth 1 cent, 10 cents, 100 cents? Oh my goodness. How many pennies would it take to get $1? This is your challenge question. I'm gonna put my bills away, give you 1 minute to think about that. So if we wanted to cash in all of our pennies, I have my pennies here. How many pennies would it take to get $1? $1. All right. Let's see. So $1 is worth 100 cents. It would take 100 pennies to trade it in and get $1 back. 100 cents. Okay, that was your challenge question. So if it took 100 cents to get $1, what if I wanted $2 bills? I want you to think about that. $2 bills, how many cents would it take? My money away, giving you a minute to think. That is your exit ticket today. How many pennies would it take to get to $2? Okay, and again, this was the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. This is the nickel. It is worth 5 cents. This is the dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. This is a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And last but not least, this is the dollar. $1 is worth $1 or 100 cents. So think back to that question before we go. I asked you, how many cents would it take to get $2? Well, I know that it is 100 cents for $1. And it would be 100 cents to get this dollar. What is 100 plus 100? If you said 200, you are correct. Very good job. You did a great job today reviewing the different coins and the dollar bill and how many cents it takes to get to $1 and the coin's value, okay, what it is worth. So when you go to the store and you try to pay for something, you know how much things cost and what your coins are equal to. We will practice this later in the week, but I hope you had fun reviewing your coins, their names, the dollar bill, and all of their values, how much they are worth. I will see you later on in class. Have a great day.